Hello, my name is Dennis Jongsomjit. I'm a master's student in Geographic Information Science in the Department of Geography and Environment. I'm starting my second year, or I'm in my second year now, and today I'm going to talk to you a little bit about my thesis research. My study area is in the Ross Sea, Antarctica. This is a special place because it is one of the least human-impacted oceans on Earth. It is highly productive and it supports large numbers of wildlife. Because of these reasons, the Ross Sea Region Marine Protected Area was established in 2016, the largest marine protected area on Earth. One of the key players in this ecosystem, and also my study species, is the Adélie penguin, which breeds on Ross Island. During the breeding season, this is one of the most well-studied seabirds on the planet. But not much detail is known about their ecology during the winter. We know that they travel north. In fact, they travel hundreds of miles north. They do this to reach more productive waters to find food. As they travel north, the ocean begins to freeze into sea ice, and the penguins use and navigate through this sea ice. The sea ice is dynamic and moves in an approximate clockwise rotation, being pushed by a large ocean gyre called the Ross Gyre, which itself is partially driven by a circumpolar current which is associated with food and nutrients. There's evidence that the penguins use the movement of this sea ice to aid them in their migration, and this is my overarching question. How much do Adélie penguins depend on the sea ice for migrating? To answer this question, we've placed tiny sensor tags on penguins, which record their location, pressure, and temperature for over a year, giving us insight into Adélie penguin movement and behavior. I'll combine this data with satellite-derived sea ice movement data so that I can look for spatial and temporal correlations between the penguins and the sea ice. This is important because it is opening up an ecological black box. Not much is known about a major part of the Adélie penguin's life cycle. The information can be used to inform the management of the marine protected area. And it's also important because climate change is impacting the sea ice that the penguins need to survive, showing that human impacts are pervasive, even in the most remote place on Earth. And this is important for my career goals because it will allow me to see a research project through from start to finish, giving me more experience and confidence for future projects. Thanks for your time.